I know upon this that you guys. So for today video we have Queenie and she's answering to Amari because after Sting Amari really still have been dragging Queenie name. I want to find more funny about Queenie. You know when Queenie get upset and she goes "Tuh." That's mad funny. But anyway, answer the video to hear what Queenie have to say.
Anybody see Amari? Can somebody please tell Amari somebody look for her? She just in her life. Amari, you come like cool it up with pussy class. You don't stop to accept problem, woman. What a cantankerous soul. Amari's soul is so cantankerous. This moment you love me, you're glad for me. My excitement turn you on. The next moment, nobody enough to trouble me, and then my pussy thing come use your tongue and cleanse my pussy Amari and make it smell good. Come cleanse out Queenie thinking pussy Amari and make it smell good. You're confused /.com. Go ahead. And when you get tax it, tick tap 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 tap. When are you gonna stop? You never gonna stop? Make we keep back still. Amari. Make we keep back still. Eh? May I walk a beat up my pussy and I run down stage show cause time I catch up on me. Why catch up on you? Yeah, condemn Jamaica. What are you, Amari? Listen now. Girl. He said Jesus say yes, nobody can say it. And the whole of way I said Jesus. Whether we do it in a food opinion, we are the whole of us saying Jesus. But Amari, when you say you work with, you have your perfume turn up, and me a shoplift, what is wrong with you, Amari? Are you perfect? You sound like one big idiot, but you have so much lyrics, so I'm a listen to you. And you guess how I'm a listen to you now? I because them in I care listen to you. I student may come from Amari. Shut the fuck up, you fucking stupid rascal. Come use your tongue, your clean tongue with your perfume you have, and come lick up me thinking pussy girl. I'm gonna shoot you. You go to steam and make a fool of your fucking self and your shame. Speak the truth of God love. You're embarrassed. You broke motherfucker. You're hungry like blood clot dog. The hungry maga dog. Them are your class of Jamaica. Amari, speak to me. I buy my ticket here and it's a problem to you. I'm going out beating up my pussy is a problem to you. But no, me you 53. Put a toe whip on the ring. I'm a beautiful soul. I'm a beautiful outside. I'm a beautiful character. I've got my horrible side. I try to be nice to you. I want you to come grind up the tough shit that I'm about to just grind them. You know when you look at your grind meat? And somewhere you come grind up the tough shit that I'm about to hold. I'm married. I remember them know me I go get rid of them, but I feel for class, you dirty blood clad creature. Girl, make me the music competition and shut the fuck up. Come, we take it to the music. Are you cause see you on the stage, you flap. I take the gangster off for your name. I made the gangster now and then protect the lady. Days after you still fucking complaining. I left you last year. I bury you in the snow. You still come back. I bury you in Sting. You still come back. Even though you told me I'm a blood clot back, you say you didn't spit on me, you're hawking on my face. What more you want? You say, me must be responsible for no big stretch out blood clot crutches like down a blood clot thing when I'm married. Me married to myself. And me for sorry for Uno. Uno pussy big out like down a sting. And my done blood clot grey pussy my white dress in. I mean if we wear white dress because there's a lot of ladies that are deceased and they're with us. Do I look like I give a fuck about any blood clot by the way I'm married? What could blood clot? Talk to me now, Amari. May I reason? You know, Amari, you are married to me. You want to marry me? Let's get married, Amari. Let's try it. I think she want to marry to me. You know, Amari, you're so in love with me. You're obsessed with me. You're traumatizing me. I just let you pussy click go. True blood clot word. You're the phone feel it there. Every time you hear Queenie name, Marcy me. You just studying that idiot. So it ain't Amari. I'm so sweet. You wanna taste me, baby. You wanna lick them tits. You wanna suck my tits. Come and get them, Mari. Mona. Come on, moan in my big fat boobies. Mona. Mona Lisa. Come and get me, baby. I know you want it. Lisa, if we could have, you want me to buy a ticket to the back of America? I'll buy you a ticket, you know. I'm not rich, but I'm kind. All them stupid something the way I make. Just say you want some ticket money. And when you get the ticket, it's still our customer. But we still buy the ticket all if you're a customer. That's my art. But away from buying the ticket, you're so in love with me that you really love to do it yourself. Oh, God. Could you really nice, you know? I'll show you some love, Mari. I don't even want to rude to you, but yeah, provoke, man. To me, I'm 53. But I say, I'm going to get a piece of my tongue. Right now, you're supposed to stay in there watching it. Oh, Queenie. Oh, Queenie. Right now, you have to rub your blood clot clip and it's stiff on me. Amari! Yo! Amari, I'm tell you the fuck out. You know, it's the first time you hear it say so. More than that year. Every year repeated. I'm just saying, put fun and joke aside. Your boss says security them beat you, abuse you. But Amari, if you have bad up people and a bite and a spit and so you think you're gonna get baby, no man not gonna make it. That dirty man them at Jamaica, dirty Jamaica fake sack, they talk like nobody did ever say how Jamaican to her. At Jamaica, you own a blood clot, man. If you talk to him to them, this a dirty blood clot. Talk to God, I love after pretend you're paint picture like we're all fucking angels down here. Be a dirty blood clot. Mouth boy down here, all young and peeling blood clot, skin half full. Let me on a reason now. So, Mari, I don't know what's the problem with me. Me still a dancer. Yeah, your own queen, baby. Me gear that. Me sing I love you. Me try. I didn't worry about down there. You want to marry me. You want me? That's why you kick up the wedding dress. You grudge do it. Excuse me. Do you not want me, Amari? I'm married to myself. He doesn't give a fuck about me, Amari. So let's come and get married, baby. Okay? Let's marry over the phone. If your body and bowl in your blood clot, Mona Elisa, add me for your life. You just said that talk. Add me to life. And listen to my nice voice. And I'm going, here comes the bride to sodomite. We want to be happy, mate, so we got to hold it tight. We're going down the high. Come here and say today, say, none of the dirty man them can fuck you. Better turn sodomite. You know me want do it. Let's try it. Bumble cloud, Queenie. I'm my way with crutches. Look. Clit on clit. Clit on clit on clit. All the way I talk about Amari. I had done the Jamaican. I don't the lifestyle and I like the whole I will like it. It turn around. It's entertainment. If you go there and say Jesus love me, nobody now look. Sting, it's a stinging, disgrace, excitement, gunman war. That's a culture, baby. We can't disown it. All of them black way and chat way and say them are bad music. Our culture in it. Wine go by your head, skin out your pussy, pat your pussy. You understand me? It's a culture. We know no better, baby girl. So you cannot chat Jamaican like you think. I'm not gonna come defend it. I'm gonna tell my class and I still accept them for who them is. Because we are who we are, and that's what makes us. Because we're all dirty bumble pussy blood clot all. And we're terrible, awful. Disgusting. That's who we are. But we are loving people, Amari. And you abuse the Jamaican them and you proof on them and show up on them and roll with them. So when you say I carry 20 man, no, I did not. May have maybe 3 women, Yvette, Jessica, Margaret, 4 women, around 8 man. Nothing to do with it, Amari, with it the whole time. The man them busy with it, Amari, because the fact is I don't busy with it. So I'm not push some fire with you, baby girl, and you know that, but you want that attention because you want a little cash up. Amari, let me tell you something, baby girl. If you notice, I do ads and I do promotion. I don't discriminate people to make money. I can't do that. A student may come from a while ago. And whatever the writer put on the song a while ago, I said, no, I'm not going to sing that. Things that discriminate me. And when I fit my criteria, I don't sing it. So if I love my pussy, God give me my pussy because pussy have power. Not violent in my pussy for pat my pussy. Unashamed are the greatest thing. I may show no different. So when I try to fight my girl power, I just should say I have bad mind and envy and jealousy. I create my girl power off of my urge, Amari. A man disrespect me, and I went and cried to the cow. And the same day when I came and said, Ash was there, how you dealing with Ash? I was so hurt, confused, and I don't know if I do it myself, so I'm a plea to the world. And then I say, everybody, I'm right. Happy International Women's Day. That time I laugh. Right here, somebody, Amari. You talk your story, me I talk mine, baby. Right here, somebody, I'm full jeans. My last, I couldn't wait till daylight. Me not have no voice. And I say, Ash, when you deal with my Ash? And the same real crazy is here. So everybody have them supporting them own way, Amari. Listen. I see them as a happy National Women's Day. I say, what is last like a blood clot, Nemo? I have the girl cup when we shoplift Amari proudly. Everybody do what they have to do to survive. If you sell pussy, if you eat shit, it's life, baby. We all survive, and everybody get 24 hours. They're very discriminating. And you try to impress the world to prove who is wrong, but you haven't seen the disrespect that you bring on the stage to me. You take it for a granted and for an insult because you see me laugh, so you turn it around on me saying that me I pop my pussy, but better I'm gonna pop my pussy more than being aggressive, hostile, and disgusting and bad man. So good conquer the evil of all time. You're very evilous, Amari. I would take in tree some love. You understand me, Amari? So when you say you have 20 years at a university with a whole heap of bad man and envy behind it, girl. You understand me? So you come and you try influence people with your words, so the dunce one that you discriminate that does not understand your twanging. But words are very powerful, Amari. So at the end of a good day, I might not be university blood clot, but I'm very accurate. You hear that, girl? I can be nasty, I can be good, I'm sure of that. I can be professional. I can hold my composure. But I can't tell us again, I put you up in my bottle and make you scoop up the blood clot germs them in me. And I will be horrible and then I will change in other category. But listen, I don't do none of this for money, baby. You understand? I do it for my talent and my power. I want me to say I do it for money. See, I put up badger big blood clot. Christmas gone and you still a set your cap. Then you sit down and class before you come here. Then you say the promoter them pay you and buy me ticket. So who are the fucking, who for money I laugh? Yes, sir. My blood clot money I'd laugh. Tell Sikaram to send the song and give me girl. I want to you. Tell Sikaram to take the song from you and give me. And me make blood clot money talk and laugh. I want to you. You so much time I flap my fly. Me not ball to nobody for plane ticket and me not ball for hotel. Me come out of blood clot hotel talk to me and this upon a dirty blood clot. Me not take by out. Amari, speak to me. Amari, I went to Pegasus the Thursday when me come the 19th and by the morning the 20th me come out of that blood clot cause me shame all over again. Shame me Queenie. You shame one time, 3 times and many wallipper times. I was so embarrassed and feel betrayed on myself to see me in there chat blood clot about my husband and somebody here when I say I feel bad. So I didn't stay. So talk to me now, Amari. Now you have balls of hotel for 200 and you did a boss. Eat that exile themselves should be a base. Me will buy your tickets in America. If you're not blood clot near my pride, me will buy your tickets in America. You talk to the promoter, them broke. You know my type, them broke. Them keep sting. And that's what you wanted to do. So you paint this big blood clot picture, say you make me. You know make blood clot me, you draw me out. Who the fuck is you for compare with me with 400 odd thousand? You have 400 odd, you have 400 odd thousand, I may have 200 odd thousand, Amari. But Instagram is not what count here. Is your heart, soul, and blood clot battle all? May I talk to you now on Mona Lisa? You discriminate the promoter them, then you take up back to them, then you go back and you say this and you say that and you say that. Get a hold of yourself and know what you want and where you're and about. You're confused. And people is bored like myself is because I'm bored while I listen to you. Me just do my third song, Amari. You understand me? Me just do a song with Under Construction. That's my third song. I done one New Year's Day. I done one yesterday with Friends for Real, and I done one today, Amari. And that's putting out hard work. So when you get up every day, I use example and I impress people to say, well, me is all this. Me don't care what I want blood clot is, Amari. My pussy, I'm not borrow no blood clot, girl pussy. But beat that, and if it stink, you come use your blood clot, clean perfume tongue, and skin out hand on my pussy, and lick out clean pussy, make it smell good. Talk to me nice. Another thing, Sting is about animosity, war, excitement. This gets no matter if I two old blood clot foot. Sting could be like what it be years ago, a different blood clot time now. Wanna get entertained, and that's all fucking matter. Now wanna get entertained. Me take some laughing blood clots that cause no plan me for flat me. Remember Amari, you say you plan with people for done me, Amari. Everybody come to me run them. Check my interviews before I went and sting. I said I'm not gonna fight with Amari. Me now war Amari because I thought we are too senior citizens. And I don't feel sexy, boovy, and proud to go on stage to tell you about underneath you. Check me interview them before Amari and tell me who's a lady you can't tell my lady baby girl your mouth can take it. But in real life, come on. There's a post when you go at ER and you get excited because you can sting you. You get excited and I say, what was it? I just miss it. You just start make be a big talk, and then you make beer talk, and you can't back it to no fly. British Airways, first class, and you have an art to talk. How can you come down here and second? Amari, me never care about Sting, and I still not care about blood clots thing. I care about the win when I win. You understand me, girl? You know why? The higher the monkey climber, the more it exposes and to sure people. And you see Sickarime? Anyway, Sickarime stood on him could have eat blood clot me like how Satan ate Christ because Christ never show him how to blow birth in a human being. Sickarime have to stay so. And say, Queenie not easy, you know. May I tell you, I'm told, I don't think my blood clot container this. So I'm to you, lady, let me tell you why you can't get me out. I don't sit down and watch people post, people dressing, people live it here and make it be a problem to me. Amari, every talk you talk, ask any blood clot body around me. One woman to tell me, say, she's a Christian, I'm going to stop using the body. I say, God now penalize me, that's my expression. Amari, ask everybody when I listen to your live and you discriminate me, what come out of my mouth? Bless her. You understand me? Every time you talk and say everything about my America, Amari, if me for the mouth testing with me here, that's not healthy, baby girl. It's long, you understand me? So my puppy now and then I'm ignoring now and then, but through my eye gland kill it's not blood clot when I'm ready. That's why you get some of my baby girl. But behave yourself and do some tune and shut the fuck up, you mother ass. Shut the fuck up, man. You tell me about there, Jamaica, make your mind up. You just said in one brains, I bought my ticket here I'm a run come down here because I buy my own ticket. So that not good if I buy my own ticket first class. All right, you said that. Then 5 minutes after you said, Queenie, they all over Jamaica run up and down. And she not loyal to Sting. She should not go nowhere else. Girl, what you can do today, don't put it down for tomorrow, Amari. You need to come and be my friend. And I will teach you some new fucking tricks. You're bored? You're so fucking bored, it's unbelievable. Maybe a little twang where you twang and through you say, you're intelligent and you study this, that. Take a page of your own book. Because you have, out of your own book, you have good words. And you keep the crowd. People still don't listen to you all when I fuck you attack, Amari. All when you twist yourself 100 different times. All when you fight my baby girl power. Build something for yourself, Amari. You want to come a crown. You take the veil off of my head. You take the bandu off of my head. You tear the dress. You're arcing on my face. Come on, you still there proudly. How Jamaica, them should have kicked in your dirty junja wall, pussy wall. And that them should have kick out your nasty blood clot. So you think to me, I gotta be woman now, I gotta say, them should have kicked in your dirty blood clot. You don't have no respect, Amari. You feel like you with your dirty maga blood clot, germs looking self can come. Now the people them invent exile by everybody, shout on them and anger them like other. Mr. them dirty blood clot. Security then have no sense. Right now, I'm for class them dirty blood clot for you. Make them my blood clot. Because though I have a percent, I'm going to drop all them pants and say, girl, come lick up my body. Oh, no, dirty Jamaican man. Go here, Amari. Yeah, come. A dirty blood clot third world country. This are the fittest surviving of this. And one thing with Jamaica, them not boo you if your blood clot not forget boo. You learn that. So now talk about entourage. Look how many thousand people are there. That's natural love, Amari. Natural energy, cause me set a foundation. You can't come and come chat shit. Me, get up. Me set a foundation. Me cuss to them. Me wall of them on. Me not ask a blood clot penny. All when them offer me, I cuss them blood clot and tell them I don't want it. Enough time I broke na blood clot and they attack all time. You move your beggy blood clot but money laugh. When you stop lie to yourself and be, you see me down here about hotel, you got rude and say some little things. Girl, me, now if I come show off by you, I can't tell you I can buy your ticket. I bet you can get change, Amari. I can buy your ticket if you want to go home, baby. You know, if you tear me down for people buy your badge, darling, that's long. Sting can't come back. Unless you have the power to recreate one because you see what y'all are gonna talk about gunman. A gunman blood clot world we in a girl. That's how we grow. And I just know in a 2022 from me I grew in there blood clot one that London Waltham Park Road. Me hear gunshot, me go then I'm school in the school them care blood clot gun. And my birth land this. And me have to walla with them, hide there in the trailer and say the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Because I'm a little bit mad dodge. So me not go silence to come talk like say me expect Jamaica to be higher. America not good. No way not the blood clot we're not good. Low my blood clot Jamaica them through them boo you. But you deserve the boo. Because you have to remember I am the people's queen. Are you wasn't taking that in consideration? You're Mona Lisa. Come with your Mona Lisa. You're like a slang them. Why you want to come around now? You're going to take Sean and you can't take my Sean, baby girl. It's dumb. So me do you a favor. Because there's no comparison to the queen. I said that on the page, on the stage. When the woman say me you win, listen back when I say, Amari, me not sell my blood clot soul, bitch. Listen what I say. Put away winnings. Go back and Sting page and rush it on the real page so you can hear properly. Put away winnings. We all are queens. I not deny you from your queen all when you fight me down. You can't win me all when you're dead to blood because it's so much people your class them I go dead. And then Pitney I go dead. Things like that you do and you take it for joke and then you want to use example to tell people say they are not good. So God I go charge cast judgment pan Jamaica because them not repent. But baby girl, the whole of us are sinners. So when you're gonna have them details there, And I beg, it doesn't look fucking tasty to me. It's not palatable, Amari. You know, practice where you preach, baby. Me had a blood clot, that. Me not beg. All in my blood clot, I'm gonna know that. You understand me now, beg? No collection. You hear that? Me set a foundation, Amari. You don't hate people for that. Then you go tell me no, me married now and the man no want me and hate me and disgrace me and disrespect me. And me take that for my honor. Can you deny me of the facts? You can't. You just looking fucking clout. You does not make any sense. You understand me? It no matter if me shoplift, sell pussy, sell body, sell mouth, sell ear, sell lip. Girl, liberty and survival. And everybody can work in the office. Some have to sweep the street, darling. Everybody cannot do the same thing. So when you fight to size up with me, you can't size up with me. I am sexy. I am bold. I've got a list of what's different than your list. I've got so much significant things about me. I've got many multiple personality. I am a high-rated person. I am hyperactive. I am high-flaming. So Amari, there's no comparison to me. Amari, look, me never walk on my hand on the stage, Amari. I'm a titty them, used to walk on my hand me a country girl. Amari, you see the mic here? I want to split now to blood clot. Amari, come at me, Amari, girl. Me not look, you know. Amari, you see the mic I'm holding on my hand, so? I hold my composure, I'm proud of myself, you understand me? Because I don't see somebody who want it. I don't know. I tell you, I love you, you think I joke. But then I mean to say, true, I love you, I would whop you in your dirty, nasty blood clot. You hear that, girl? But guess what? I put myself before you. So I spoke to myself, my God, and I remember my daughter and my journey to get my Grammy. No. If me say I want Grammy, you never want Grammy to and leave me. Where you find me that with my Grammy when I want? It doesn't make no sense, Amari. You understand me? My talent cannot give you a Grammy. You don't have Grammy ambition. No, me no, man. If I buy the plane ticket, maybe my pussy will smell good tomorrow. How about my girl, if I go in there, I'll show you a perfume. You turn blood clot. Eat that. You eat that, Amari. You can't tell me about personal hygiene. Don't do it, Amari. You look stink. I don't look stink. All if me look chaka, me don't look stink. My skin alone nice. You look like devil. You look like a Lucifer, and that's the God Almighty too. You don't look palatable. But you have pussy and pussy have power, man, will fuck you. Because who have them take a bush. But I take one deal down, ram out your dirty blood. I never fuck a girl in Amari. Look for me. Never in my life. I never fuck a girl kind of my style. I'd fuck out your dirty blood. I'd fuck up your old shaky with your mash mouth, your mash like mashed blood clad potato. I'd ram boy your ear. I mean, come turn sad and make me come. Sad out your pussy with one blood clad black dildo. I like black. So I get one black rubber cocky for you. Listen, man, I'm a pussy clit. I have a big fat pussy clit. You hear that? Yeah. You do Amari. You can't see big man married and I come tell me about me not for wear wedding dress because of that. My business I don't know what no blood clot. Wear my pussy. I mean make the man not trick no make one man trick no dirty blood clot and married to no like how me get trick. And then no can do well. I'm not gonna deny me the fuck. Someone married and I don't even know what no wedding dress. I'm frightened over my marriage because the man don't want me, so I'm frightened over my marriage. Blood clot. Me look like no, me asking the truth of God, love. Put all due fairness aside. Look how beautiful and fresh and relaxed and complacent me is. Amari. If Cooler Bashment never said to me, he said, nothing big up yourself. You're enough, no bumbo clock, but big up yourself, nothing. Because of you enough up in this as well. And the reason why I don't do that is I see the challenge. And I see the potential I have. Me couldn't challenge myself. So I have to send for the lunatic. She's a fucking lunatic. She's a fucking idiot. She knows she's a fucking idiot. But she's human and she's alive. So At the end of a good day, me not have the heart where she have. Me not go sing every day sing pan her blood clot name. Me not have no time for that girl. Go do some tune, man. Show some progress. You beg to blood clot much with that gin and lie at blood clot self. You can't trick your people, them you can't trick me because you not get a cent more than the plane ticket. Me buy a plane ticket for sure. Me not rich. But my heart rich. I'm a spirit rich. So if you really want to go home, I'm not buying Destiny no ticket. She too rude. I don't want to be Destiny friend. I prefer your old mama rude to me because me and her all alike. I not take a little girl to come pass and blood clot pays me. You mad? So I buy a ticket and I can gang blood clot. I make a stretch my pussy tongue around and I hang on a dirty blood clot. No, awful more than me. You know why? Because I don't trouble no. You understand? Low, my man, me and my element here come talk about me, I run up and down. Girl, I me make you run up and down. You have to give God the energy, girl. That time I go come on my time now, hot girl. When the hot is done, all of the DJ them, the man DJ them where I cuss me, Amari, not stop it. I'm telling you something now. Being a man, bounty killer, merciless, Shabba ranking, yellow man, Vibes Cartel, World Boss. All of them DJ them from back in the days. Those are all veterans. Them just going there and just draw them hits or whatever. So in my time, in my sense, I say, me cannot the promoter them. After them business, them do what they feel like how you have your pity them sometime. You all over them and the next time I say, no, I'm not doing it. It's so it goes. You have to give and take. It's entertainment. So if it's a twist with it where them get too old for to say, God, the woman them need more bringing. You understand me? Me just not like the fact that Amari abused me and true she see me you my total laugh it out. She still I got anana, but really for fuck it's rude. And I did say to Amari, you know it's rude and maybe if I done that to you that want to sue me because you know the land through you're bright and you're intelligent and you study this and true me I do it I'm head. Me no know nothing. So if it was the other way around and I done that and it was very disrespectful, Amari. Put away all joke no Amari, I don't even want to cry girl. It was rather rude and disrespectful. Let me reason now, baby girl. What place do you have as a big woman? Let's say I have 53 pitney, 13 kids, I have 53. I sit down and you preach, Paul, Pastor, the whole Bible as how perfect you are, you think people should live, about people's life you have opinion. But you feel like you can scrap me at my wedding. You know, that's very rude, Amari, and then I gotta say you never see nobody married to myself. But Amari, you know, in a sense, because everybody knows I'm married. So when you really look on the aspect of it, yeah, if you see them pay you for your disrespect, me, it's really disrespectful in Amari. That's why I'm there so today they are flowing because I'm a wedding that. And it's not your place or nobody place to pass assertion of how they think I should feel towards my wedding. I love my wedding. My husband wasn't there. And I felt some type of way. I had just left my kids, my family, for come contest with you and me never bargained for. I'm not trail a load of money. I just wanted to go and entertain my royal crazies and voice my opinion and voice be heard. No, me do. Me do all of that and hold my composure. Yeah? Not that it matter to you. Me don't want it matter to you. Time I there in England, I say I put on my wedding dress car. Do it now, come. That's how I do it. All I'm doing is love me and I care about me. And my husband, you understand me? And nobody can deny me the fact of that. Do might never fight for me and stand by me and do what you don't want him to do. Well, look on the interview I do Amari before I went on stage. When they said, what's the best thing you love about your husband? I said, because he married to me. And I appreciate my husband for that. So really, for a fact, Who are you, Amari, to come and discriminate? Take off my something, kick it into the crowd, I'm still laugh over it. It's still there, I go on. Got to like ugly baby. I'm there for the whole away. You hear that? Amari, when me see I kick my veil in the crowd, I didn't even care about the fucking veil. I used to them in the studio, one girl tell me, say them have the veil. Me not care about the veil, me care about you for drop. True what I will drop this up. You hear that dirty blood clot bungle? You hear that girl, me a watching her crowd and I say, I hope she not drop. You can't conquer me in a blood clot time. Me look beautiful in my wedding dress. But you have umbrella, you're so bad, man, Amari. You get slim and you pay millions to get slim as yourself. Accept yourself for who you are. I accept myself. That's why I can go and pop my pussy. I'm drying in on a blood clot. I say a pussy me come out. My mother clean fat pussy make me the years upon the land now. No shame to my pussy game. And my pussy will go viral, make me turn artist Amari. How can I go on stage and deny my pussy because of blood clot you and I have none? If you didn't have a pussy, it would be a sir. You have a body, and so your catch is long when you kick up. And I come talk about me, when me kick up a clot on a blood clot is stacking on a move on a dirty blood clot. That's the secret of the stacking. Come in, I want to see my long pussy tongue with long like blood clot. Jingle bell, jingle blood clot. Did you hear that? Amari talk to me. Look, if you not see your pussy tongue a circulate, you better you go out, they go pat it free. You don't know, say, I'm proud, I catch blood clot in the act with your pussy, girl. Talk to me. Who proud of them pussy? Me. Where God get you out of pussy? Where man fuck and come out of? So what you want people going to dance to sing? Jingle bell? I wait make for blood clot, gunman, the dirty gunman, vibes cartel, Mavada, Shabba ranking. And that our culture, dirty blood clot bungle. Move your blood clot. You think you can't go sting and train a sting it up, and when you want to come back, come discriminate and draw undercover and the allegation. You can't impress. The people them are boring. I'm not boring. The reason why I'm a log on to you, I come from studio and hear them a listen. When them come out, I can't start doing. I say, our life, you know, I go up on my life now. Yes, we have to listen for admin. You're not bad, Amari. You just smell blood clot bad. Me bad. I'm not even a contest, Amari. I don't tell you, there's no fucking comparison to me, Amari. You understand me? You have little Yankee accent. I don't really see nothing about you, Amari. Go and ask the girl. And that's not tell me get me a sting, you know. Enough you big up yourself. Enough you say. Tell Queenie if it accept the clash. Because she not accept the clash, it can't do. Tell Queenie say she for accept the clash and go out there. Go make the world see her. Because it's a big, nothing any blood clot where you dig up, big up. I'm Amari, meds, wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Use it wisely, girl. You should have their sting. You should have their fans, but you're afraid. Because nobody not doing that, Amari. She's afraid. They're not doing nothing. Let me tell you with Jamaican. Jamaican very loving in Amari. We're ignorant and dark, but reasons. You see like how you run up your mouth on the internet or something. You don't do me nothing personal. And them say me not take it to heart. Nobody not doing nothing, Amari. So stop creeping propaganda. Look how me go and bad and them tell me I can't come to Jamaica. Not a bumble one now do me not do nothing. All of them love me. All of them can't stand me. It's not that deep, Amari. Nobody now waste them gunshot by your girl. Stop and shut the fuck up and go to some studio. Come out to your house, the hotel where we run out of. I'm a what left in her. Come out of that, man. I already there sniff out my rascal sweat. Come out, Amari, may you do a tune together. That maybe that will help you, you know. Oh, you know, if she says I call up the woman heart, make her change the world. Make them here to 53-year-old. You understand me? Amari, love that man a new year now, baby. So I do one post today and tell Sikara thanks. I remember him. I don't have no time for them only for foolishness. I still cause I don't have no time for that car. I don't really want cantankerous woman in them. I'm just defensive. And when you make me feel some type of way, I just have to make you feel back some type of way. But really, for a fact, I not hold on to them something I marry. And my style that. It a go on too long. And I call in and munch this down at Birmingham. Where I work for 6 years till my calling gone and 9 years of prison for that. You understand me? I get them 2 girls and tell them to make we have meeting. And then for talk it over 2 nice girls, you know. Munch calling. I say, look at the girl, them sexy, them fully. What the fuck can I wear over so long? Get it over with. Till one only for people lead up in our hits. I'm not do them something with you, baby, because you see the difference in me. It's to see like how my mouth bad, I say my action bad, baby. And me not like the action, because I have a heart in it. I mean, I want to do nothing, I feel bad over, because I tell you, my sister keep this up, I could, and I say, oh God, I hope she not drop. And I not wish she not bad, leave me alone, woman. Stop texting for me. You understand me? All the time I work over, and shut the fuck up, man. If you work over, don't drive me now, you over something, baby girl. Me never work over in my life. I got a couple read that woman and then tell me something fuck you. When I want to believe, me believe. Me don't have time for work over. I got them over, girl. So stop painting pictures for look fucking clout. I mean, like when people tell lie for me, not Amari, but for some reason you get away with a lot of lie. I mean, I can't stinking pussy Amari. Yesterday, I tell them, so when they live a sentence, a black boy alien. I live 2 minutes from the sexual health clinic. Every time, that's how I'm there with Ziggy. Every time I come, I go, I just walk over and stop me, Rachel, and he said, oh, Mom, nothing is wrong with you, Mom, you're just paranoid. I say, I don't care, I still I go over there. Till them lock them sentence to blood clot. Them tired of me, oh, my time, they know. When you got one more time, them give you the card with the hospital number. All that turn me on. I like listen to it and them say, Ross, today, my sister's birthday. Happy birthday, Sandra. We just remember back. The 3rd of January, must be 4th now, 2023. And then you have to read it out and then tell you, chlamydia, negative. Gonorrhea, negative. Syphilis, negative. I like listen to that. So Amari, when me hear you chat shit on my ears, no look. Talk facts. You tell me about shoplifting, duh, that was then. I'm a celebrity now, /artist, /wife, levels. You understand? But think you're jealous because you want a husband or you want married to me. But I'm not fuck girl in about that. Give her some blood clot. They're the first. Everything in the order. Order. Fuck out your dirty blood clot bungle. You don't have sense and I done with your nasty ass. Or some fuck you want. You know, I wear your dirty. I said I get a bamboo giant deal there, see? I say, Maria. What's my name, Mary? Huh? Who turned you on, Mary? Huh? When I get excited, what happened to you, Mary? I get some blood clot, fuck you see? That thing's a real cock. Ooh, ambition over ass clot. Corruption. You create too much corruption, Amari. You don't have no ambition. You just talk ambition, but you don't have none. You see, if you don't have ambition, when them tell us a Queenie do a song, you don't have to do one. You don't have to do none throw no word for me. You can't do a throw word for me too, but do something. Everybody come and tell you if you do, you come back care about them name. I build them. Nobody can tell me nothing, come in and press button. I want bumper pussy blood clot. Somebody can tell me something and him choose not to. My husband. I'm not like when my sister but I truth. My husband could have take me and tell me I'll not flick or something just for the sake of him. Have an input. Would that make so much difference to me? But you know, I rate him for him allow me to be myself. To an extent. When him get mad and I say, crazy! It's like, I say, oh please, you better stay silent. But Amari, may I raise a baby girl? You shut a lot of crap. I am proudly married to Mr. Scarlett, and I am Mr. Scarlett. And it was witnessed by the world. It's in the Star, which is an official Report. So when I sit here and I try to discriminate me and I go up on stage and I say, I say nobody married to her. Are you so like one fucking fool? Because you know I'm married. So in it when you break it down, you're bad mind, you're grudgeful, you're covetous, you're envious, and you're a fucking storyteller. You fabricate so much story against people, Amari. You see if me I could say Amari, words coming out of my mouth, you know, but you know I cuss me, you know, because I get some freestyle fuckery cussing. But for find the words I saying me, I shall work with and I wish to say I want next to fucker, and I'm like, what the fuck? But are you me say work over? The man tell us to fight, I fight, so you come fight for truth. So he's a fucking press button, he's a jackass. You're up with Heil, you meet, and then you come and say me work over. Girl, all know me never rehearse nothing when everybody has a Queenie. When you go up on the stage, this you gonna do. Me say me no want none of you tell me of nothing for the because me don't know where I go on the stage. See, they only know that she got antagonize me now. Maybe she herself don't even fucking know till they come talk. Shut up, man. When you see me, I look good, you just get bad mind. And I talk about 100 man. And them man, them not busy, Amari. So you think if they're busy, they come back, get time for come back and talk? Top chat shit, man. I look blood cloud forget money. If you tell them, say, yes, courage. So I say something to him. Wait. A skirmish. Let's soon get the word. When drunk or clean the world, what they call him? And a skeleton. Sculpture sitting like a song. He's a bloodsucker, he's a vampire. You come on the internet and you fight everybody with them look of fame and them look of attention with them get. And you chat everybody, but he's just the same as everyone who's getting money and who is discriminated. He's not no better. You understand me? And people, they want to do them talent and I hide for you. We're afraid that you are sure so them bigger than you in them business. He still sit down here to see that. How? And the bird fly my way home. I will fly my way home. Some glad morning. See me a pass. Where something I'm stand. I fly. I say, hey. See me a Dolly Sunday. Where Dolly them name Rebel and TC and Pretty. See me fly away home. I will fly away home. Say, hey. You could bark. The dog is down there barking after a flying fucking bird. Speak to me, Mistress Intelligent. Amari, you need no blood clot help. Money grabber, move your blood clot. You could have all one man and one girl hide. Your general no blood clot. Remember, I am intelligent and I know to market myself. Yeah, I use people forget the money and I look blood clot sympathy. What? Think you can't trick me, girl? Because you know the people them bored and them then them house. So like I say, Destiny. Oh my God, a class today. Run up and down and make blood clot knives and kick up your foot and start discriminate people forget badge. Go into the fucking studio and make it up back to your what's your name? Your nannies. Your auntie nannies. Get the fuck out of here and go and control your nannies that you fucking disappoint. Amari. You see how much people fly if you come watch and you insult them. They never come for that. A foolishness you do, my friend. Even though it's fine entertaining, when you really check the aspect of it, but it's foolishness. I want to something you do. If I ain't gonna do the court final 1 million charge to give for all of them there. You understand? Yeah, driver England, them stop you, have no license, so them get dangerous driving, them then some whole heap of different something, the one driver yeah drive car. So that Amari. You done so much and you still complain and you diss the Jamaican them. You diss the Jamaica queen. We don't get with them every month, you know, baby girl. And I think me drive a wall with my people, them, you know, Amari. When them see me, them say crazy. Look when me come down here when double to one man to my goody bus. Downtown mash up Amari. My people them queen, baby. So regardless of the internet, he's not their queen, Amari. You don't interact with your people them. You just the internet, that's it, blood clot, bang, and then you get a little views and something, and then you get a little money them. And then after, you find somebody with pick pan where have worked. But them have more sense than me. Spice, big up your nice, clean, fat pussy. You do what you for do. Any blood clot with Margaret cut girl, cause girl, you have songs that eat pan top of blood clot. It you can just lie down and cock up your thing in our rocking chair and say, rock my Gracie high and well I sing and I go on the reality show. Spice make Jamaican proud. It doesn't matter if you don't like her, if you don't accept her, if she like me. I could care blood clot zero if Spice like me. Me like her. You know why I like her? She's a strong black woman. She's black and thick. I'm gonna love her blackness. I'm gonna love her she's strong. I see whatever make her reach what she reach, me rate her because she put Jamaica on the map. So when you have someone great come out of your country, that done well, you appreciate them. That's what I think.